I'm coming to you today with a review about curly hair product that I bought in this Catwalk TGI brand. And let's see, I bought 3 things. And they go by numbers. I didn't buy the shampoo and the conditioner because I have my own and I didn't want that. I bought Leave-In Curls Rock Moisturizer, number 3. And I have to admit, it has good slip. It comes out blue, as you can see in this pump. It's a blue moisturizer. And it really feels good in your hands and in your hair. And next, number 4 is the Curls Rock Curl Booster. And what you're supposed to do while your hair is wet or dry is take this top off and hairspray all over. I don't know if this does anything. I'll tell you why. Because of number 5, the product in the line. The reason why I'm not sure if the Curl Booster does a lot is because number 5 is Curls Rock Curl Amplifier Cream. And the instruction is after you do the moisturizer in your hair, hairspray yourself with Curls Rock Hair Booster. You're supposed to take 2 pumps of this Curls Rock Curl Amplifier and distribute it through your hair. And this is thick. They're not lying. 2 pumps will go through your whole entire head. And look how much hair I have. Now, this is the first day, and as you can see, it's a lot of, let me get closer, frizz. See? And it really did at first define my curls, but then it was 70 degrees out and I started walking around and my hair feels dry. Some of my curls did come out defined. With that aspect, with all the frizzing after the first day, see? It's only 7 degrees out. I can't imagine 90 sweltering heat. I don't mind it. I'll wear it. However, when humidity comes, my hair is going to be really even more frizzier than this. But would I use this product again? I most likely would use this. Not sure about this or the curl amplifier. But if your curl is not, if your hair is not as thick as mine and frizzy as mine, and you have curls in your head, I would give this a go because it might hold your hair better than it would hold my texture. Matter of fact, I might give this line to my sister. It's not bad at all, but not for my type of hair, and does not help with the, the frizzies in the front. But other than that, I would rate it 3.5 stars. But anyway, out of 5. But anyway, bye.